Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your Monopoly Go username. If you're new to Guide Infinity, if you could go down and hit the subscribe button, and then once you've done that, if you could consider leaving a like, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get started. So in order to do this, of course, the first thing you're going to want to do is load up Monopoly Go on your device. Now go ahead and check your username. All you need to do is come up to the top right hand corner and click on the three lines to open up the menu. Your username is going to be here displayed at the top. So this is going to be a representative of whether you've connected to your Facebook or your Google Play account. So basically, when you go ahead and connect to your account, what it's going to do is use your username from the connected account. So if you want to change this, what you're going to want to do is come down and press onto settings at the bottom, and then you want to press onto the green connect account button. From here, what you can do is connect your Google Play account or your Facebook account, and as mentioned earlier, whichever one you choose to connect with will be the username that is displayed. So if you want to use a different username, all you need to do is connect the correct account to change your username. Now, also, if you're looking to check your user ID, you'll see that it's here on this settings screen. If you look at the bottom down here, you've got your user ID. So that's how to go ahead and check your username on Monopoly Go. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, it means so much to us. And we will see you guys in the next one.